Life begins in a moment of pure wonder. A new life, full of promise. Everything feels untouched and beautiful. In those early years, every fall is a lesson. It's the love and support of a parent that gives us the courage to rise again. As we grow, the world opens up before us, filled with wonder and the joy of discovery. With every new adventure, every small triumph, there's always someone by our side. We begin to see more. We notice the silent strength in our mothers. We see the tired eyes, the quiet sighs, yet still they show up. As we build our own lives, we carry these memories with us. The fear of facing the same struggles, the uncertainty of how we'll manage when it's our turn. Yet, we also carry their example of strength, guiding us through our challenges. We gain a new appreciation for all they endured, and are committed to easing the path for future generations. Today, we have the power to change the narrative, to seek the wisdom our mothers lacked and find solutions they never knew. At Winona, we believe in rewriting the story. No longer do we have to endure in silence. Together, we can empower each other with the knowledge and support our mothers never had. We chose the name Winona, meaning firstborn daughter, because it represents all women, from the youngest of us to the eldest. We all go through life's transitions together. The menopause transition can start as early as 35 and last for over a decade. It's not just about the physical changes. It's about navigating life's many challenges, raising children, watching them grow and leave home, losing loved ones, seeing friendships change, and relationships evolve. They're about the emotional journey too. That's why Winona focuses on being more accessible than any other telehealth company. Through our online and in-person communities, live Q&As, extensive research, 24/7 chat, we and our community will always be here for you. At Winona, we offer bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, hormones that are molecularly identical to those your body naturally produces. By addressing decreasing hormone levels, we can help alleviate over 100 symptoms of menopause. HRT isn't just about symptom relief, it's also about long-term health. Research shows that hormone replacement therapy can decrease the risk of heart disease, the #1 killer of women. By taking care of your hormone health, you're investing in your future, ensuring you can continue to live life to its fullest. Join us at Winona, where we're committed to supporting you through every stage of your journey. Discover the difference bioidentical hormone replacement therapy can make. Learn more at bywinona.com.